Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use InkScape, the free open source vector graphics software. I am going to give you a complete beginner friendly guide. Whether you are creating logos, illustration or as busy fast, this step-by-step tutorial will get you started with everything you need to know in 2025. Let's dive in. So first of all, you just need to understand what actually is InkScape. So InkScape is a free vector graphics editor similar to Adobe Illustrator or Core iDraw. So it allows you to create logos, icons, infographics, SVGs for web and print and complex illustration. It works on Windows, Mac OS and Linux, and it is perfect for designers, artists and hobbyists alike. So first of all, what we just need to do to use this InkScape in our desktop or in our device. So first of all, you just need to install InkScape on your application. So how you can do it? You just need to visit on InkScape scalable.org. Once you visit there, then you will get this kind of an interface over that your desktop. So here you will get couple of options called about, download, news, community and many more, as you can see it. Also into the middle you will get option like you can explore features, then you have community gallery and learning resources for you. So I am going to click on download now because of to get the apps in my device. So just click on download now. Once I click over here, then here you will see you have been redirected automatically to the download to see available download page. Here you can see Windows installer package. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you will get download it automatically on your desktop. So you just need to choose your operating system, then it will be downloaded automatically. Then you just need to open it. Once you open it, then you will get this to install on your device. Just click on next and follow this process and install it. And again you will be greeted with a blank canvas once you done this installation, and toolbar on the all side you will able to see it. Just click on yes, and here you can see the progression bar is increasing, and we need to wait a while to complete this installation. Let's wait a bit. So as you can see, finally our installation has been complete. There you can see complete the InkScape setup widget. Just click on finish. Once you click over here, then the interface will be open on your desktop. So here you can see this is our real interface, and this is the first step. They are asking for quick setup, and the canvas will be default. I will don't do anything with this word, so I will leave it this way and click on save. Once I click over here, then they tell us to support by you. Then again clicks on done, and then here we have couple of options called existing file, then print, video, social, screen, shape builder, other and custom. Just click on new document. Once you click over here, then the document has been opened. So now in this step we are going to understand the interface properly. So because let's explore the interface to further know more about this InkScape. So here you will see this top bar into the top. It's for file options, like you have options like new, share, save, export, undo and etc. Here you can see all of them. Then you have left side toolbar, or I can say left sidebar, where we have options like drawing tools, select node, pen, shape, text and many more. As you can see, if you hover it, you will get to know the name of these elements. Then in the right sidebar we have a couple of other options, which is the object and layer controls. Like it is optional, can be opened by menus. Here you can see, if I select one of them, then you can see we have options of couple of this. Then into the bottom bar, as you can see, we have fill and stroke colors, zoom level and also object info. Then canvas, this is where your artwork will be live. This is the canvas, as you can see it. So you can drag, zoom and pan to adjust your view. Then into the next step we are going to talk about drawing basic shapes. So for that reason you just need to click on the rectangle tools. Just click on this rectangle tools. Here you can see, if you hover it you will get to know the name. And let's draw a rectangle, and then your canvas will show your rectangle on here. You can change the color. Let's select this one and then change the color. Let's do it. As you can see from the bottom you are allowed to change your color. So use the circle tool. You can click F5 if it is needed to, or start tool to shape. Like click on F5 and now you can see I am able to draw a round shape or circle tool over that panel. Again click on this Ctrl P, or if you select as, then it has been done. Like if you know the keyword tool, like keyword shortcut, then you can easily do your tasks on your this InkScape platform. It is really simple. You can use the select tool for F1 to move, resize and rotate your shape. Let's click on F1 and now you can rotate your things easily. So let's go and talk about the aligning, grouping and duplicating. So how we can do it? So select multiple objects using shift plus click. You just need to click on shift and click and you can easily duplicate it. Then here just click on this, and then as you can see our profile has been selected at a time. Then you can use Ctrl G to group it, or you can use Ctrl plus Shift plus G to ungroup it. Then use align or distributor to make it center or space object. For that you can use shift plus Ctrl plus A, or if you press Ctrl plus D to duplicate shape, just click on Ctrl and then click on D. As you can see it has been duplicated. How easy the process is. If you are fear about the learning, then you will never learn a new thing on your career. But if you have eager to learn a new thing, then you can easily learn it. So these tools help you keep your design organized and clean. So let's go ahead and talk about using the pen tool like Bezier. To draw custom shapes, you can select pen tool. Just selecting pen tool. Here you can see this is the pen tool. I'm just select it and then I'm going to create a straight line over here. As you can see I already done in straight line. Then you can another line also, but if you want to leave it you just click on F1 and here you can see our straight line has been done. And you can click and drag to create a curve. Press enter to finish the shape. You can fine tune with the knot tool. Here you can see this is the knot tool. Just click and you will get selected the knot tool. Here you can see this is the knot tool, and here you will get this knot tool options. And if you want to increase it, you are allowed to increase it. This is perfect for tracking image or creating logos. Then we will talk about adding and styling text. You just need to click on text tool. Here you can see this is the text tool, and if you want to add anything, I'm going to add a name, and then I will increase the size of this. Just click on F1 and then I'm going to increase it. As you can see our name has been increased. Just you need to use text menu to top bar to change your font size. Here if I select it and into the top bar text menu or menu, you will get this option to change whatever you want to change it. Here you can see we have a couple of options. You can styling with fill, stroke or gradients, great for logo or poster design. Once you've done this work, you can easily export it from this one. Here you can see we have this export button. Just click over here, export, and then they will give you the option to export it. Just click on Ctrl S, and here you can see our export file has been done. I'm going to save it as PDF. Just click on and click save, and here you can see the eventual result, and it has been saved perfectly. I hope you learn many things about this element and this top bar and many things from this video. And that's your beginner guide to InkScape in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment if you would like a deep dive into logo design, SVG editing, or advanced InkScape tools. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.